Hello guys. Um in our previous tutorial I made mention of us using the view command button to zoom in and zoom out of our documents. However, due to certain problems, I've just decided that we'll skip this phase of our tutorial and maybe visit it another time. So you can just use this command in zooming in and zooming out of your document for the time being. We'll be learning how to insert special symbols in Word. Let's take it that we were setting a question or a mathematical quiz question and we wanted to insert symbols such as the times, plus, minus, beta, alpha, omega, etc. So today in this chapter we'll discuss the use of special symbols in Word. Your keyboard may not have all the characters or symbols available, but you would want to use, or you would need to use, some of these symbols in your work. That's how come Microsoft has some special symbols that will help you fulfill this. So in this chapter I'll give you a further understanding of doing all those things. So in order to insert these special symbols, you have to go to the Insert tab over here, click on it, and we are in our Insert tab here. Now the next is to go to there are two symbols in the symbol group. We have equations and we have symbols. So let's take it that you were preparing a math quiz. You could simply use the equation tab here, and there are some pre-written equations for you to use. So let's use a new document so that you see it better. We are back in a new document, home, go to insert, come to our equation tab. So we have a pi r square equation here. Clicking on it will get it into our Microsoft Word document. So if it is okay with us, we leave it like that, and that is how we insert a symbol. So let's go back there again. Let's say we wanted to insert another symbol, let's say the binomial equation or something like that. I believe that's it. So just clicking on it will also get it in there. Exactly. So that's how easy it is in inserting symbols. Now let's talk equations, sorry. Let's talk about inserting symbols. Let's take it that you were typing, you wanted to insert the pound symbol. The pound symbol is actually on the keyboard. Let's see which symbol. All right, the beta symbol, I believe that is it. Yeah, the Greek small letter beta. It is not on your keyboard actually, so you'd have to come to the symbol tab to insert it. So all you have to do is come to your insert, come to symbols, then insert your symbol. Now, and we have it here. Now let's imagine we're looking for a particular symbol which is not on our list. All we have to do is come to more symbols, click on it, and we have hundreds of symbols to choose from. We have hundreds of symbols to choose from. So that is, and once you finally get to the symbol you want, then you just click on it and click insert, and it will be inserted there for you. So that is how easy it is in inserting symbols. Right now, let's take it that these are the recently used symbols. So once you keep anytime you use a new symbol, it's going to appear in your recently used symbols. So it is going to make it far easier for you to use them. However, if you also realize that there is a particular symbol you use a lot of time, you can assign a shortcut key to it. Let's take it that I don't know what symbol this is. Let's get a symbol I know very well what it is. Alright, we have our exclamation mark here. So let's take it that I've been using a lot of exclamation marks in my documents. I can decide to assign a shortcut key to it so that anytime I click on that shortcut key, it will automatically generate that. So if I wanted a shortcut key for it, all I have to do is come here, then I'll type in the shortcut key I want. Let's say Control plus T over here. So Control plus T, then I'll assign to it Control plus C, then I close. So the next time I want to use an exclamation mark, all I have to do is press Control plus C. I hope it works, and it shows there. See, Control plus T, Control plus T, 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 and then it shows. So that is how easy it is in inserting symbols as well as assigning shortcuts to those symbols. I'm going to go back to them and I'll reverse that shortcut so that it doesn't affect any other shortcuts on Windows. So once you are assigning shortcuts, always be very careful, because Control C is supposed to copy a document. So if you should use Control C and assign it as a shortcut for a symbol, you might end up having certain problems. So that's how easy it is in inserting symbols. All you have to do is come to Insert, come to the symbol group, click on your drop down menu and select the symbol you want. If the symbol you want isn't here, come to More Symbols, click on the symbol down, click on the symbol you want, click on the symbol and click Insert, and then the symbol will be inserted for you over here. So that's how easy it is to insert symbol. So thank you very much for watching. The next time we meet, I don't know whether we should talk about undo or do, because those things are really simple and they are not worth a whole episode or tutorial. So I'll squeeze all of them into one tutorial in a bit and we'll talk about them another time. But the next time we meet, we'll be talking about font size and font styles. So see you in the next tutorial.